Hi guys, we have a very interesting question on surface area and volume. So we are given a diagram which is a cylinder of length 150 centimeters that lies on a horizontal ground. Further, we are told that the cylinder has a radius of 20 centimeters and it contains water to a depth of 5 centimeters as shown in the diagram below. So we are told to calculate the volume of water in the cylinder and give our answer in liters. So the first step is to get the cross-section area of this solid that we are given. So the cross-section area is the circular part, which has a radius of 20 centimeters. And from the cross-section area, already we are given the depth, which is 5 centimeters. And therefore, there is the missing part, which is x. But generally, we know that BO is the radius, which will also be equal to 20 centimeters. So we can add x to 5 and equate it to 20, in which case, if we solve, then the value of x is going to be 15 centimeters. So the second procedure, we are going to extract the sector AOB as shown. So from the sector, you can see BO has its dimensions and AO. So from the sector, we have the shaded region and the unshaded triangular region. If we remove the triangle AON with the dimensions as shown, then we can calculate angle theta by using cosine. So we know that cos theta will be adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 15 over 20. So if we solve and get the cos inverse of 15 over 20, then theta is going to be 41. So angle theta is going to be 41 degrees. You have to indicate that you're talking about 41 degrees. So then we are going to get the area of the shaded region of the sector. Basically, we are going to get area of the sector. Then we subtract from it the area of the unshaded region, which is the area of the triangular part. So we use the formula theta over 360 times pi times r squared into bracket minus a half hypotenuse times height sine theta. So if we substitute for those values, then we are going to get 45.3. So cross-section area, remember, cross-section area, we are going to get it by multiplying 45.3 by 2. Because remember, we just extracted a half. We are just using a half part of the cross-section area. So we have to multiply it by 2 so that we get 45.3. That is, we multiply 45.3 by 2 to get 90.7. So in getting the volume, remember we simply multiply cross-section area times length, and the length was 150. So we multiply 150 by the cross-section area, which is 90.7. And then that one will give us cubic centimeters. The values we are going to get is cubic centimeters. So to get values in liters, we are going to divide it by 1000 to get 13.6 liters. Remember, you have to indicate your answer and show the values. Without writing 13.6 liters, then the values are not going to be okay. Thank you guys for watching this.